One of the things I learned from my grandmother was how not to waste food. She was one out of 11 children, born and raised in the Great Depression, and my grandfather served in World War II. So those chicken and dumplings that I made the other day, all the dumplings had been eaten out, and there was a little bit of chicken left in there, so I decided to make a potato soup out of it. I just cut up potatoes, I boiled them, started frying a pan of bacon, added it all into the soup, cut up some green onions, let it just simmer. I used a can of chicken broth that I had just recently canned from the chicken and dumplings that I originally made. Add it all in there, let it simmer, let it cook. There was absolutely nothing else I had to add to it. I made some cornbread and served it up. It was so good.